Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. Look at all these Woolworths and Big W packets we've got to open. Let's go. So today's video is us opening packets from one of Cooper's favourite teachers at school, Miss Janine. Thank you very much, Miss Nini, for giving us all these packs to open. Now, because we've got so many to open and we've already opened a lot on our previous episodes, I am not going to put together the double ups. I'm just going to assemble the ones that we haven't had before so we can get through a lot more packets in each video. So let's go. The next one is bread. Yep, we've had bread before. So put that one to the side. Next is, what's it? Oh, yep, we've had this before, cricket set. We pop that one to the side. This one feels interesting. Oh, I really want the dog. Let's hope for the dog, huh? And it is plants. We've had plants before. Okay, we're just going to keep going. I'm going to rapid fire through this until we get one we haven't had before. And this one is, oh, it's milk and eggs. It's milk and eggs. All right. This is a first time appearance of milk and eggs. All right, let's do this. Oh, this is so exciting. All right, so it looks like this is going to be the egg container here. So we pop that little bit there. Oh, wow, that was really tight on there. And this is going to be the milk, and oh my goodness, how stinking cute is that? That's a cup to drink your milk. Oh, that's so cute. All right, now we pop some stickeries on. So I'm so sorry if you can hear my dogs barking. They are saying hello, YouTube. Okay, let's start with the milk. This is so stinking cute. We pop the milk label on there. And that is so cute. All right. And then the back of it. Milk, a bottle of milk. What type of milk do you guys drink? Let me know in the comments. Do you drink full cream milk? Skim milk? We drink skim milk here. Oat milk? Soy milk? What other types of milk are there? Oh, guess what? I can't get this sticker off. Oh, dear. There we go. All right. Yeah, so let me know in the comments. What's your favourite type of milk? Oh, doesn't that look great? Now we put the egg sticker on. These are great eggs. Oops. These are not great stickers, though. There we go. Alrighty, these are free-range eggs. It's very important for the little chickens to run around in free-range land. There we go. Beautiful. Eggs, milk and eggs, and a little cup to drink. So stinking cute. Next pack. Oh, something came out. Oh, I think I know what this is. Yeah, it's a strawberry patch, and we've already got that one, so we'll keep moving. Next. Thank you again to Miss Janine for giving us these packets to open. Very, very much. Thank you. This is called Breakfast Bowl, and yes, we've had this. That's a double up. We've had that one before. Next. What's it going to be? Oh, again, a breakfast bowl again. We've definitely had that. Next packet. And it is oats. We've had the oats. Next. And it is carrot patch. We've had carrot patch. Oh, I really want the dog. Please. And oh, actually, when are we going to get a golden piece? How rare are they? Come on. This is another strawberry patch. had it. Moving on. This one is... Oh, it's Clean Squad. We've had Clean Squad before. 8 more packs. Let's go. And it is Hygiene Duo. We've had that one. Keep going. What's it going to be? It is Palm Tree. We've had Palm Tree. Double up. Let's go. What's it going to be? Plants. Yep, we've had plants. That's another double up. This one is Coffee Maker. Had that one. Let's keep going. This one is... Oh, it's Dad again. Obviously, we got Dad. Let's keep going. Another packet. Oh, this one feels big. I wonder what it is. It is... It's Compost Bin, and we've already had that one. Next. This one is Palm Tree. You already had that. Let's keep moving. This one is another breakfast bowl. We've had that one. We'll keep moving. What is this one? Oh, it's a toaster. We already had that. Keep moving. Next one. Is... Oh, Baby. We've had Baby. We'll keep going. All right. Next one is... Oh, toaster again. We've had that one. It's... Yay! This is really the only double up that I really, really want. And we're going to keep being really happy with because we need lots of fence. So that's amazing. Next is... Oh, it's toys. And that's another double up. All right, let's keep moving. This one is Garden Bench. And that's a double up. We've had Garden Bench. We'll keep moving. All right, here we go. It is... Oh, it's Sun. We've not had Sun before. This is a new one. Yay! All right, let's put Sun together. Ah, that's so good. All right. All right, so Sun doesn't look like he's got any hair, but he 100% has a cap. So we'll put his cap on. And we'll put his head on his body. And then we'll put his legs on. All right. Now the hardest part always are the arms. For some reason, they're incredibly hard and stiff to fit in. So... there we go. One arm in. Let's see how we go with this other arm. I think I'm going to have to use my dominant hand for this one. Oh, click. All right. There is Sun. And Sun has some stickers. Oh, look at that. He's got a dinosaur t-shirt. How cute. All right. We'll put his little dino t-shirt on. My little boy Cooper would like to wear a t-shirt like that. He loves dinosaurs. Cute. And turn him around. And we'll put this on. Yay! That is awesome. All right. son. We'll put father and son together up the top there. Now, I've got heaps more packets. Look at these. I've got so many, and I've actually got a bag full too. It just keeps going and going and going. I've got so many. But you know what? I'm not actually going to open any more in this video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open them in the next video. But what I need you to do is press the like button on this video. Press subscribe. And definitely hit the notifications bell so you don't miss when I put up a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.